So see, this is how they get down the coconuts. See the device he is on. See, that's how they'll get the coconut out there. There you go. I started a little late. He already cut all these branches to get to the coconuts. They are all dead branches that he cut. In 2 shots. So nice. First time I'm seeing, like, witnessing it live. Sir, now how much time it takes to grow back like these coconuts?
Sorry?
These coconuts, how much time it takes to grow?
Now in hot season, it's within a month.
Within a month?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So cool. So you hire these guys to do it?
Yeah.
And how much do they charge?
One coconut they charge 130.
To remove one coconut?
One coconut tree.
One tree. Okay, okay. See, now this is, now he's going to do this. He's putting the equipment on for this tree. And this is very high. And it's a very thin tree, yeah. See, according to the right one. People like us can never climb on this tree. The tree will start bending. This is how he's going to go right on top. See, let's show you. That's the tree right on top. So see, there he started now. He started there. Now whatever coconuts are there, he's going to throw it. See here, the dead ones are like this one. He's going right on top there. No, they can give it to vendors to sell it, na? See how many are falling. Now you can see. So many coconuts, yaar. Oh. See the height he is on. Yes, it is just falling. He's very on a solid height, yaar. It's like he's on the 3rd floor.
Mama got these big clips for money too. They're so good. The plastic is amazing.
Yeah. You want me to block that or something?
No. Ask them.
Okay, man. So this is the process, entire process. Like this he'll do for all the other trees.
हाँ अभी पे कर लो.
Oh, yeah. So cool. Thank you so
for your
much.
wife?
Yeah.
Another one?
Yeah.
For you.
So this is fresh, just come out from the tree.
Yeah.
अब पानी तू पी और पी.
So nice.
You're sending somebody this?
Yeah, I make vlogs. Yeah. So what's your good name, sir?
My name is Felix.
Felix.
Yeah, I'm from that house.
Okay. Oh, very nice. So sir lives here across the road only. There, his house is there. So nice. First time we are actually witnessing something like this, na?
Yeah.
Like we have seen it on videos and all,
Yeah.
how they remove it. Lucky that I got a chance. She told me that they are taking it out. I quickly came. I said, let me make a video.
You have got a chopper to break this up, this?
No, no, no. No need, sir. We'll have it like this only.
No, but that's the
Cream.
yeah. Inside.
I'll get it broken, sir. Don't worry.
Yeah.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
Thank you so much.
What's a good name?
Andrew.
And Felix. Yeah.
Thank you. So early morning, not early morning, but yeah, morning time. Nothing better than this fresh coconut water. So I've seen it in some videos how they do it, and I think it's going to fill this whole cup up. I think over that.
It's filling up.
Oh yeah, it's just perfect. Cheers.
How is it?
Damn nice.
Like the ones you get on the road? Like the ones
Yeah,
you
yeah,
get?
yeah.
Sweet it is.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice. Fresh, and he's saying
Wait
that
till
if
you
you
get
can cut it, like they can take out the cream also.
Oh, then. Oh, but he's going now. And did you notice, Andrew? The guy who he hired only cut the ones. Rest the guy, who employed him, has to keep away all the coconuts, has to keep away all these leaves. He did just the cutting, the employed guy.
That's his job.
Bas cutting.
Only cutting per tree ka. Naturally, he don't want to do clean and do all that. That's the other person. If he has servants, he can get that cleaned. But
Nobody
he
was
doesn't
doing it
know. He
himself.
will do himself only, na.
That guy should do
This is
everything,
not
na?
a metro city that oh, भैया ये भी साफ कर दो ना.
वाह दीदी वाह दीदी दीदी वाह दीदी दीदी दीदी
So, what work they have? Nothing now.
But what work that does that guy?
Who?
The guy who cut all these.
So
he
you
should
what you think
get
only one
cleaned and
thing
all.
now somewhere else he'll go. Yeah, you also have some coconut water. Yeah.
Yummy. Now you do. Give me more.
So it's 4 o'clock and we rented this bad girl for $400 a day, and it's for 3 days. And through some known person I took it. So they were asking for $500 because this is a new one. But through some known person we got it for $400. So anyways, now we are going to head to the beach with Jaden, who's crying a lot to get onto this. And I'll first put my helmet on. And how is he looking at this clownish helmet? Yay! So we are ready to go. And come on, let's go! Come, we'll see it from that side. एक मिनट यार,
सर बैठना क्या?
कहाँ बैठे हैं?
ये तो ऊपर है.
नीचे का कहीं नहीं है?
नहीं सर, अभी हाईटेक कहाँ होता, सारे बंद है.
अरे यार, चलो let's go and see that side. Come. So this is Anjuna. It's high tide today. Today's high tide, na? So nice it is. See the sunset. We were actually wanting to sit and like where they give you chairs and all to sit. That we were wanting. My hair is all buggered up because we were on the scooty. Woo! Wow. Come on. Anyways, the sides are damn high today. Just enjoy. You can go and sit somewhere there. That side is more crowded. I think right at the front there we can sit. So everything I'm saying, all the tables are being put away because of high tides. We have come all the way here and all the way from there here.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So it's no point here looking out for tables. And I'm on daddy duty now. So I'll see to him. We'll play the fool, play around. He's already doing his dirty business. I'll start with my Diet Coke today because yesterday I had a little extra. No, thank you. Not a little extra, just enough I had. I hope the lighting is good and I'll try and show you all the view here that's going on. Hey! Hey! Come on! Come on, I'll show them the view here. So, letting out sunset here. Let's see where we're going to sit finally, and we'll try and find a spot. Till then we'll play with him a little while. Chalo. Till then, cheers, boom.